Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aris Ramadika. I'm your host for this week's weekly English SMK podcast. So we have here. Can you introduce yourself?
Let me introduce myself. My name is Nefat Pragata Kusuma. You all can call me Nefat.
And here, my friend here is.
Okay, I will introduce my name first. My name is Muhammad Jafar. I'm from Zain TKJ.
Alright, so today this week's topic is the first day at EDN boarding school. Let me start. My first day EDN boarding school, I believe it was July 12th. I came here with my family. I was nervous going into the gates since I seen a lot of cars in there. When I first came in, I didn't know where to put my clothes, so I put my clothes under the bed. For the first week, I had my clothes under the bed and not in the locker. And in the first week, I believe we had LDKS. Now, in my opinion, LDKS was very helpful, but it was misguided sometimes. It was kind of lost in its activities. It didn't feel really focused. Mostly PBB and a lot of speeches, I believe. And for me, I was in an ordinary school before going into EDN, so my adaptation here has been slow, let's say at least. But I do enjoy my time here. So far, it's been a month and 2 weeks, I believe. But I've enjoyed my time here. Now I think that's all for me. Let's hear from our friend Nefa.
Okay. My first day in IDN boarding school, I feel kinda nervous because in here I'm forced to be disciplined and wake up every morning. I think it feels what ya? It feels tired because we have to wake up every 3 a.m. at 3 p.m. a.m. And then when LDKS, I feel like tired too because we can stay chill at 10 and then like that maybe that's true.
Anything else? Or is that just it?
That's it. That's that.
Okay, let's hear from our friend Jafar.
Okay, I want to tell you about my first day. I'm in IJN boarding school. So the first day I'm here, arrive here is my feels like nervous, like I don't know what's each other because it's the new friends, new what
Environment.
Yes, environment, new environment. I don't know what should I do. My feels like what should I do? What should I do? But right now I can talk each other because I think that my first day at IDN, I think I didn't like the big school. So this my first time enter the big school. So my feels like nervous and my mind like what should I do, so but right now I can talk each other, play with each other, and this my first time also learn about IT because before I'm here I don't know how to adapt to like understand about
IT.
technology, yes, but I can understand, but now I'm little bit can understand what the meanings IT, especially TKJ, yeah, little bit I can. I think this is my first time, my first day. Yeah, then I feel nervous and like that, and yeah, I get new friends, new environment, new school, yes, and here I have a lot of friends. Is very kind. Is kind people is very yes like that. and yeah, that's my adaptation in IDN boarding school. So I think that's all.
Okay, let's ask some questions since we have some time left.
Why you guys choose IDN boarding school?
Because of my father, which he is a TKJ. He is a sales manager and a network engineer.
So you school in here to follow your father.
Nah, my father recommended me to go
Oh.
RPL.
Oh.
So, and what about Jafar? Why did you choose Eden boarding school?
Okay, first, my mom suggests me to enter the IDN boarding school, but before I don't know what is IDN boarding school, so my mother suggests me to enter the IDN boarding school, and my father know IDN boarding school from his friend, her friend, and yeah, I interested to join IDN boarding, so right now I'm here and Eden boarding school. Yes.
Okay.
Why do you choose RPL? Why?
I'm the cafe.
No. Santai.
Because of my previous skills, I previously before going to IDN, I like to code a little bit.
Oh, coding like
a
that.
little bit.
Oh,
I had a little bit of a coding hobby. I joined robotics club in SMP. My old.
Are you
old
win
SMP.
or no?
I didn't win, but I learned about Arduino.
Yes, that your experience.
Like that.
How about you?
Why
do
did you
choose
join the
Nika?
cafe?
Because I have a strong passion in design before I was school in here. Because in my previous school there is a robotic team too, but there is some role. So mechanic,
Designer.
media. Yeah, I choose the designer, and I grow up in my previous school, and so to upgrade my skill more, I school in here.
Can you use Photoshop?
Not really, but I can use Adobe Illustrator.
Okay, I think we can make project together.
Yes, okay, alright.
One day.
One day we can
One day.
make project
I mean,
together.
okay, I think that's all the time we have. Unfortunately, let's close this by saying hamdalah.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next week with new host.